Hi guys, it's Johnny here from Barcelona. Welcome to my review video from the Midas Touch. By the way, a great song back in the days. But if you want to make money online, stay with me. Then we get a look to the product and I got some awesome bonuses for you too. So let's get started. Let's see what the product where the product all goes about. Midas Touch. This is your change, this is your gold touch, this is your king grace. Watch us bank 100 plus commissions daily, without selling, without paying ads, without websites, without YouTube videos, without an email list, with no hassles. Free traffic daily, done for you solutions, 100% tested and proven, pandemic proof, unfortunately start, life changing income. So let's go to the page and see what they got to offer in the course. So here we are. First, welcome. So there's a short video, welcome to the Midas Touch. Then we got overview, business overview and biggest challenges. Score building is getting score on Warrior Plus. Then we have get your affiliate link, apply for your affiliate link. Conversation booster is getting you done for you assets. Building list of hurrying buyers. It's introduction to email marketing. Case study is how to build a brand new profile on Warrior Plus. The Midas Touch free traffic is Facebook traffic and a case study how I made $560 with one Facebook. The Midas Touch paid traffic is optional for paid traffic and case studio power of solo ads. Then upgrades. There are no upgrades, but that's going to be in the prices. We go to there now. And there are some bonuses, but let's first talk and go to see what the prices are from this product. Here we go. So the front end Midas Touch price is $12.95. You get access to powerful Midas Touch software and training modes. Then we got upsell number one is the Midas Touch Pro version. It costs $37. It's an advanced training program where you will learn how you can make 20 times your results by promoting launches, offers and generate instant affiliate commissions. Then we have upsell number two. There you got a resale license bundle for even $76 or $37. Get resale license bundle of Midas Touch Aerial and list, narrate and make commissions across the entire funnel. Then on the end we have upsell number three, there's personal coaching, and it's even $179 or $79. Get 4 weeks of personal coaching live coach to learn everything about marketing, affiliate marketing, commissions, and live the life of freedom. Here are some key benefits you may be interested in getting it. Getting approved by vendors for launches without any hassle. No email list required. Traffic. Oh, sorry. No need to record yourself to make this work. Traffic is 100% free and it's fast. No technical skills required for Midas Touch. No further investment required. Anyone can make the system work. And you have a 30-day 100% money back guarantee. So let's have a look to the vendor bonuses, what they are. They are quite some nice bonuses, and then we go to my bonuses. They are also nice. By the way, sponsored by Jono. Thank you very much for it, Jono. So bonus number one is the royalty bonus. Instagram made simple. A strategy on how to use Instagram to drive traffic, generate leads and make more sales in a CPA and as an affiliate marketer. The easiest and the most profitable way to use Instagram marketing. Has a value of $279. The second bonus is the Fuego multiplier to 10 times your conversions. Consists 8 models, explain step by step how to get started and set up your promotions, with a value of $447. Then they have bonus number 3, the secret weapon to success. A course without secrets about great tactics. It shows you how to make money online from A to Z. The course includes free tools and traffic for users and all strategies, approved and tested. This has a value from $997. Then we got bonus number 4, Don.t. This method allows you to make money and don't need your own product or any prior experience. Has a value for $479. Then we got bonus number 5, the last one, that is the clones, a done-for-you system that teaches you everything you need to know to make money online. This method is completely brand new and suitable for all levels. Has a value for $497. So all the bonuses, they got a total value of $2,735. So, but that's not all. I got also some nice bonuses, so let's have a look at them. Here we go. So bonus number 1 has a value from $427.95. It's an instant traffic, so you get more traffic, instant traffic checkout to get more traffic. And bonus number 2 has a value from $46.95. Learn Facebook ads from the best, so that's how you can make money with Facebook ads. Bonus number 3 has a value from $344.95. It is a keyword research Ninja 2.0. Gets rid of all the crap. Then we get bonus number 4 has a value from $276. Sorry. It's JavaScript commission bot, so you can learn how to make money with that. If you click on any of these orange buttons, you will get automatically sent through to my bonus page and to the product. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed my quick review video, and I hope you have a lot of success with the product and you enjoy the product. So have a nice day, and please don't forget to like and subscribe my video down below. Greetings from Barcelona. Bye.